Hello everyone. Have you encountered the following challenge? You are trying to save a new drawing, and every time you go to save the drawing, it prompts you to choose the file type that you want to save, and instead of the Windows file browser, it is displaying a command prompt. The same if you try to open a new drawing, the same thing happens. It is displaying a command prompt. This is not a software problem, it is just a command in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Under your command line, type FILEDIA, which is the short form for file dialog. If the value is set to 0, set the value to 1. Once that is done, attempt to save again, save as. And now you can see it opens the file window browser. And now I can change this drawing to maybe Nivas 1541, 1545_1, save. The same way I can try to open a new file, a new DWG file, file open, and you can open this one. That is how you fix the command prompt challenge, and thank you for watching this video.